Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 3. In that we'll continue with the exercise 2.1. So here it says that find the perimeter of the following figures. So these are the two figures given. So now let us see for this first figure. So this is a triangle. So first thing you should know what is a perimeter. So perimeter means that is the sum of all sides, means you have to add all the sides. So these all sides when we add it, and these are in mixed fraction, so let us make it to improper one first. So this is going to be 17 by 3, 15 plus 2, this should be multiplied, this should be added, that will be 17 by 3, this will be 13 by 3, and this will be 21 by 4. So now you can see the denominators are different. So we can see 3 and 4. So you'll take the LCM of it. So that is going to be 12. So this you are going to multiply by 4. So this also should be multiplied by 4. Again this by 4. This also by 4. This is 4. So it should be multiplied by 3. So this also will be multiplied by 3. So now what will you do? 17 4s are 68. 13 4s are 52. And 21 3s are 63. This you are going to add it. This and this and this one. So that is going to be 183 by 12. So when you divide this 183 divided by 12, you get 15 integers 3 by 12. So now what you can see, this is 3 by 12. So 3 by 12 can be further simplified as, that will be 1 by 4. So 15 integers 1 by 4 centimeter. So now let us see this figure. This is a rectangle. So you know the perimeter, that is the formula for the rectangle is twice into length plus width, or this you can also call as the width as the breadth. So this is the breadth of it and this is the length of it. So we are going to use this formula. So that is 6 integers 1 by 2 plus 3 integers 1 by 4. So that again this is a mixed fraction. So make it to improper. So this will be 13 by 2 and this is going to be 13 by 4. So again the denominators are different. So we'll take the LCM of it. So the LCM is going to be 4. So this you are going to multiply by 2. This 4 stays as it is. So this will be 26 plus 13 by 4. So this will be 39 by 4. So let us simplify this one. So that will be 39 by 2. So now this is an improper fraction. Why? Because this numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we'll make it to mixed fraction. So 39 you can divide by 2. So that will be 19 integers 1 by 2 centimeter. Sorry, this will be just centimeter because that is the perimeter and not the square of it. So that will be centimeter. So may the class 12 student is preparing for the engineering entrance examination. He studies for 7 integers 1 by 4 hours daily. He devotes 4 integer 1 by 3 hours of his total study time for physics and chemistry and the remaining time for mathematics. How much time does he devote for mathematics daily? So he studies for 7, and this is given here, 7 integers 1 by 4 hours means total study time daily, that is 7 integers 1 by 4 hours. So this is now again mixed. Let us make it to improper. So this will be 28, 28 plus 1, 29 by 4 hours. And then study time for physics and chemistry together, it gives is 4 integer 1 by 3 hours. That will be, again this we have to make it to improper. That is going to be 13 by 3 hours. So study time for mathematics, we can consider this as x. So what together? 13 by 3 plus x. Because this, whatever the total, we are going to put it here, is equal to 29 by 4. So x will be, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So let us keep x on the left hand side. So this will be 29 by 4. If this goes here, that is going to be minus 13 by 3. So we can see the denominators are different. So we'll take the LCM will be 12. So this should be multiplied by 3 and this by 4. So this will be 87 minus 52 by 12. So 35 by 12. So again, this is a improper one. So we'll take it to make it to mixed fraction. So x is 2 integers 11 by 12 hours. So we can say this x we had considered for math. So we can say therefore he devotes 2 integers 11 by 2 hours for mathematics daily. Geeta solved 3 by 5 part of a maths exercise while Aditi solved 7 by 9 of it. Who solved the greater part? Now we can see here the denominators are different. So directly we cannot say what it is. We can do that by taking now, if 3 by 5 means, we can just say 3 by 5. So we'll take this is going to be 3 divided by 5. So this, if you're putting here 0, that should be 0.6. And same thing for 7 by 9. So that is going to be 9, 7s are 63. Again here 7, again this goes on 0.77. So we can say that was 3 by 5 was 0.6 and this is 0.77. So we can say Aditi solved greater part of it. But we are going to use with the equivalent fraction. So 3 by 5 and this is 7 by 9. So let us make the denominator same by taking the LCM of 5 and 9, because the denominators are 5 and 9, that is 45. So this should be multiplied by 9. So that will be 27 by 45, and this should be multiplied by 5. So that will be 35 by 45. So now we are going to compare the numerator. So 35 is greater than the 27. So whose is this one? 35 by 45, that is for the Aditi. So we can say Aditi solved a greater part of maths exercise. Shagun ate 2 by 7 part of a cake, and the remaining cake was eaten by her 2 younger brothers. What part of the cake did each of her brothers eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? So now what we can do, the whole cake means we are going to put here 1, and 2 by 7 of a cake means from 1, that is 2 by 7 is eaten. So now you can take the LCM of this one. So this you are going to put here 1, so that will be 7. So this will be multiplied by 7. So this will be 7 minus 2 by 7, that will be 5 by 7. So we can say 5 by 7 was shared equally between her 2 brothers, because this was left. So that was shared equally between her 2 brothers. So now we will see how much each gets, because that was equally. So we have to go divide it by 2. So now see, 5 by 7 will be as it is. Now divided by means this will be, we have to make it to multiplication. So since we have made this to multiplication, this will get flip over. That will be 1 by 2. So now we can say this is 5 by 14. See here, 5 by 7 into 1 by 2 means always there is many times a confusion for many of them. This is multiplication, so you have to multiply the denominator as well. Only whenever there is plus or minus, at that time you are going to take the LCM of it. So this is going to be 5 by 14. So we can say therefore each brother ate 5 by 14 of the cake. So now we are going to see what did they say? Who had the greatest share by how much? So now we will again here what happens here, that is 2 by 7 is given, and here 5 by 14. So 2 by 7, and again the denominators are different. Let us make the denominator same. So this will be 14, because this 5 by 14 is here, and this is just 2 by 7. So here will be 4 by 14. So here what is it? Here 5 by 14 is greater than 4 by 14. So we can say each brother had larger share, because they are getting 5 by 14, because this was for the brothers. So now by how much means from this 5 by 14, these are for the brothers, and this is 4 by 14 was for Shagun. So here when we subtract this one, that is going to be 1 by 14. So we can say each brother ate 1 by 14 more than Shagun. The perimeter of a triangle PQR is 12 integers 3 by 4 centimeter. PQ is 4 integers 1 by 3 centimeter. This is QR, and we have to find out PR. So you know the perimeter, as I told you earlier, that is you have to add all the sides. So now let us write the given things first. So perimeter is given as 12 integers 3 by 4. This is mixed summa. Let us make it to improper. That is going to be 51 by 4. And PQ is given as 4 integers 1 by 3. That is going to be 13 by 3. And QR is 5 integers 1 by 4 centimeter. That will be 21 by 4. And we don't know what is PR. So perimeter of triangle means we are going to add all these sides, all these 3 sides. So perimeter is already given here. So what we can do, this perimeter below this one, we can write that 51 by 4. That is already given. And this is PQ, this is QR, and we don't know PR. So now what is this? Let us keep this PR. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. So PR let us keep on the right hand side, and these 2 numbers let us bring it on the left hand side for the easy calculation. So now you can see here the denominators are different. So this will be 12. So this will be multiplied by 3, this by 4, and this by 3. So this comes to 153 minus 52 minus 63 by 12. So when you solve this part, you get 38 by 12 PR. Again, this is an improper one, so you have to make it to mixed fraction. That is PR. Now see here, this comes to 3 integers 2 by 12. So this can be further simplified. So that is going to be 3 integers 1 by 6 centimeter. So PR is 3 integers 1 by 6 centimeter. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.